Form SS-4 is how you apply for an Employer Identification Number, an EIN, the tax ID for your business, estate, or trust. You need one to hire employees, open a business bank account, or file business taxes. Let's fill it out. Line 1 is the legal name of the entity, exactly as it appears on your formation documents. Anna's is Anna Baker Designs, LLC. If you operate under a different trade name, that goes on line 2. Lines 4 and 5 are your mailing and physical addresses, and line 6 is the county and state where the business is located. Line 7 is the responsible party, the person who controls the entity, with their social security number. For a single-member LLC, that's usually you. Further down, you'll choose your entity type and the reason you're applying. Once it's complete, you can submit SS-4 to the IRS. Applying online is fastest and gives you an EIN right away. Click Done to download your copy. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.